Here is great deal. The Body Restore Shower Steamers. Aromatherapy 6-pack has several good points, based on customer reviews and product descriptions. High quality. The product uses high-quality essential oils. Variety of scents. Customers love the variety of scents, all of which smell incredible. Duration. Each steamer lasts about 10-15 minutes. If they are directly under the water. Relaxation. They are perfect for a nice, long shower. After a busy day, and add a little extra enjoyment. Stress relief. Many individuals use them to reduce stress, induce relaxation, or boost energy levels. Alleviates nasal congestion. They help tremendously with sinus headaches and congestion. Gift material. They make for a great gift. Please check the link in my profile. You will see great offer.